How to get all of the immediate subdirectories in Python. I'm trying to write a simple Python script that will copy a index.tpl to index.html in all of the subdirectories, with a few exceptions. I'm getting bogged down by trying to get the list of subdirectories.
I did some speed testing on various functions to return the full path to all current subdirectories. TL, Doctor, always use scander. List underscore subfolders underscore with underscore paths equals f.path for f and os.scander path if f dot is underscore dir. Bonus, with scander you can also simply only get folder names by using f.name instead of f.path. This, as well as all other functions below, will not use natural sorting. This means results will be sorted like this: 1, 10, 2. To get natural sorting, 1, 2, 10, please have a look at this URL. Results. Scander is 3x faster than walk, 32x faster than listator, with filter, 35x faster than pathlib and 36x faster than listator and 37x faster than glob. Tested with W7/64, Python 3.8.1. Folder with 440 subfolders. In case you wonder if listator could be speeded up by not doing os.path.join twice, yes, but the difference is basically non-existent. Code.
Why has no one mentioned glob? Glob lets you use Unix-style pathname expansion, and is my go-to function for almost everything that needs to find more than one path name. It makes it very easy. Note that glob will return the directory with the final slash, as Unix would, while most path-based solutions will omit the final slash.
Check getting a list of all subdirectories in the current directory. Here's a Python 3 version.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.